Have you ever noticed the subtle symbols that artists use to convey deeper meanings in their work? Today, we'll explore the intriguing symbolism in Pieter Christoffel Wonder's painting Time, created in 1810. We delve into the painting Time by Pieter Christoffel Wonder, an evocative oil painting housed in the Rijksmuseum, Amsterdam. Measuring 121.5 centimeters in height and 105 centimeters in width, this masterpiece showcases Father Time as a central figure, embodying the relentless passage of time. In this painting, Father Time is depicted nude, with wings on his back, kneeling on his right knee and facing left in profile. He raises a cloth with his right hand, revealing a golden scale lying on the ground amidst leaves. The scale symbolizes justice and the balance of time, while the leaves signify the transient nature of life. The artist's choice to keep this painting for over 40 years remains a mystery. It's unknown whether it was ever exhibited during Wonder's lifetime or if he preferred to keep it private. After his death, the painting moved to Etten-Leur, where it adorned the town hall's entrance for 40 years before returning to the Rijksmuseum in 1991. There, it underwent extensive cleaning and restoration to regain its former glory. Wonder's portrayal of Father Time, reminiscent of the Roman god Saturn, is executed in a neo-classical style. The figure occupies the entire canvas, creating a close-up effect that emphasizes the muscular, detailed anatomy of the old man. The depiction lacks depth, giving it a relief-like quality. Realistic elements, such as the large wilted leaves and the detailed scale, add to the painting's symbolic richness. Father Time, often represented as the Greek god Cronus, is associated with the passage of time and eternity. Common attributes like the scythe and hourglass symbolize the relentless march of time. In this painting, the entwined snake forming the mirror's handle further emphasizes the eternal cycle. Interestingly, this painting fits perfectly above a doorway in the Rijksmuseum, echoing its historical placement. Wonder, who started his career in Utrecht, gained acclaim for his genre pieces and later found success in London as a portraitist. Despite his achievements, Tijd remains a significant but enigmatic work from the early phase of his career. So, why did Wonder keep Tijd with him for so long? Perhaps he saw it as a deeply personal piece, reflecting his contemplation on time, justice, and the human condition. This painting invites us to ponder the same themes, making it a timeless masterpiece. Thank you for joining us on Art Lectures. Please like and subscribe.